Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle Touch Espresso machine. Now for this machine we replaced the diffuser, this one you see right here. As you can see, this one is broken, and we also replaced the gasket as well. There's a little crack right here and it was making the machine leak, so we replaced the gasket, the diffuser, and we also had to replace these little O-rings that you see right there. These are coming from the boiler, from the steam boiler and the blue boiler, where it was leaking. One of these got couple of these gaskets were leaking, so we had to replace all of them to prevent any more leakage or any damage to the machine, since this machine has a lot of electronic components all around here. So yeah, that's what we did. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, gonna test it out. Then we're gonna be using the steam and then the hot water. Okay, let's do that again. Now with a much coarser grind. A little fast, but we still got crema on the top of the espresso. Flow from the shower screen, as you can see, is nice and steady. That is perfusion. Takes 10 seconds approximately for this machine to fully pressurize, and as you can see there, nice steady stream. And now the machine, good shot of espresso on the side as well. You can put the crema on the top. You can tell it was a bit fast. We're going to be testing the steamer as well. Nice steady steam coming out of the boiler. Hot water too as well. It's a nice steady stream. Working great. So there you have it. Breville Oracle Touch working once again and not leaking. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.